Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can enable quick text boxes in Notability. So you must toggle the settings within the text tools menu. This feature allows you to diagonally draw a text box instantly on the page instead of using the standard long press method. So select the text tool, tap the TT at the top right here. At the top toolbar, you will see TT icon, and then just like here, it will open this keyboard right here, and at the right corner at the top of this keyboard you have gear icon, so the settings of the text right here. Uh, Now you will see here quick text boxes, and ensure the draw text boxes is selected. So draw text boxes is selected, so check this and it will automatically be checked. Now once you have enabled, you can create a text box by simply tapping and dragging diagonally across any area of the node. So let me close this, just something like that, and now we can, like as I said, now with the tapping and dragging diagonally across any area of the node, you can also use the pencil, which will be easier. It will detect the box, so with the finger is not quite responsive, but if you have a pencil, it will be much easier, so then you can really start typing in this box. And as you can see, it convert into the text on the iPad, so I can handwrite everything, and you will see now that it will be converted. So this is basically it, how you can enable quick text boxes in Notability. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next